Okay, people often find the instruction to be quite confusing, but this is done in mathematics a lot. All right, we introduce parentheses in a problem. But it says enclose the last three terms in parentheses preceded by the minus sign. So what do I put what the last three terms are? Let's see, the last three terms, 1, 2, 3. Now, of course, when they say rewrite it, they want it to be equal. So I'll write this down there. They want A plus B minus C plus D minus E to be equal to A plus B minus, they said preceded by a minus sign, three terms. Well, let's go one at a time. What do you got to be? It's got to be C, because what are you doing? Subtract C. Now, it's got to be plus D, so it's got to be minus a minus D. And then it's got to be minus A, well, plus E then. And this is done. That's what they want you to write down. And that is written right over here. All right, I want to point out they did write something else down. So it says enclose the last three terms in parentheses by minus sign. And in the result, the last two terms in parentheses in brackets preceded by a minus sign. Wow, let's write that down now. But I got the first part done. A plus B minus C. I want to point out what they want me to do here. They want me to do the last two terms here preceded by a minus sign in a square bracket. And let's see if we can do that. So minus what? Well, it's got to be D, right? And then what it's going to be? Well, it's got to be plus C, so minus a minus A. All right, this is the second part of that problem. Are we getting it right? Let's take a look at it. Answer's right over here. Let's see if we got that right. Yeah, we did. Now, someone says, I wonder what they did over here. This is just me, and I want to check it. How do you check something? Remove the grouping symbols. A plus B minus, this would be C minus D plus E. I've got to remove the grouping symbol. A plus B minus C plus D minus E. Is that what I had in the original problem? A plus B minus C plus D minus, that's an E, by the way. Yeah, looks good. All right, so I think we're at the end of this. Yeah, we're at the end. We're at the end, and that's good. This is the first of many problems to come, by the way. He starts easy. What I mean by that, I know these are frustrating problems, but they're basically just simple simplification problems. With a simplification problem, we're going to be moving forward, all right? But simplification is really the first thing you need to learn in algebra. And the reason for that, we do a lot of manipulations. So simplifications, what are we doing? Basically combining like terms, all right? So we'll move on, and I'm hoping that you're in for the journey. It's going to be a long road. Someone says, what do you mean by that? Well, at this stand, it's almost 2,500 pages long. That's a long document, by the way, and we're just at the beginning, all right? I just want to remind you, my name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US, all right? Thanks so much for paying attention now. Thank you.